And the great and the good of the American central banking world are off to the Fed's annual Jackson Hole conference. For Fed Chair Jerome Powell, his appearance could hardly come at a more challenging moment. Take a look at this next report for more.
The much-awaited Alaska meeting is done, and now there is more uncertainty about what is next than there was before the summit. As US President Donald Trump kicks the can down the road once again, American central banking officials are off to the Fed's annual Jackson Hole conference. For Fed Chair Jerome Powell, his appearance could hardly come at a more challenging moment. The embattled Fed boss faces key questions as financial markets brace for another fiery week to come. The Fed Chair is already on the back foot with his boss breathing down his neck. He needs to answer whether tariffs are having any impact on inflation. Is the job market really not getting any better? And the most important one, how divisive will the September meeting be? The Fed worries that tariffs will fuel a long-lasting bout of inflation. But the latest data raised a simpler question. Is there any sign that tariffs are lifting prices in the first place? Core inflation rose faster on a monthly basis, but not due to tariffs. Excluding cars, goods inflation was milder than it was in the prior months. Import prices are rising as tariffs have jumped over 10 times to above 20% on average from about 2% before Trump took office. While corporates are absorbing some of that, eventually someone has to pay, and usually it is the final consumer. Separately, it was only 2 weeks ago that Powell said he doesn't think the jobs market is getting any weaker. And then, barely 48 hours later, big downward revisions to payroll suggested that the jobs market was weakening in fact. That data also showed the US economy was potentially flirting with recession. Powell's tug of war with the White House over Fed independence will be key as well. September's meeting is likely to be explosive, and investors will focus on what Powell has to say on rate cuts. A 0.25% September rate cut is fully priced by financial markets. However, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent wants a bold 0.5% cut. Will Powell push back? Where investors are more divided, it seems, is on what happens beyond September. There are many analysts also looking for a slightly more rapid string of cuts than market currently expect. And what will Powell say on that will take the center stage as the macro calendar in the US is relatively light. Business Bureau, WION World is One.